Have you ever felt na gusto niyo magbago pero hindi niyo magawa? Because you feel so unhealthy, you're out of shape, and it's all because you're not eating properly. Eating properly comes in kapag nakapag-meal plan tayo and napag-isipan natin kung ano yung lulutuin natin, not just for ourselves but for our whole family. Now, we've designed this whole class to help you meal plan a nutritious and delicious menu of recipes all throughout for 7 days. So I want you to join this class and make that change not just for yourself, but para sa buong pamilya mo. These recipes won't just be good for you, pero promise ko, masarap na masarap ito. So come join us only here at the Bailiwick Academy.